Hey everybody, welcome to Octosec, and today we're gonna learn how attackers bypass firewalls. So, attacker doesn't break firewalls. They use the ports that are already open, like port 80, 443, or maybe tunneling DNS and stuff like that. And so, what is tunneling? Attacker can wrap malicious traffic inside the normal HTTP traffic, making it invisible to the firewall. So instead of the attacker, so they do a reverse search. So instead the attacker communicate inward, the internal machine connect outward to the attacker. So the firewall cannot stop that. It's like normal traffic. And then what we do living off the land. We use legitimate tools that already on your machine, like PowerShell and sort utilities. So yeah, like things that you got already, like cat inside of a Linux machine and netcat and stuff like that. And encrypted communication. Encrypted hides the context, so firewall only sees the normal traffic. And why does it work? Because the firewall protect the network, not your behavior. And what a SOC can do? It can monitor process, build the scheme rules, and understand the attacker pattern. So it can build rules around it and identify the traffic. And so it can identify the attack. So if you want a full video on reverse shell and how do you use reverse shell, and I will do some CTF so you can really see how I do reverse shell and bypass firewall and stuff like that. So if you want to see me do it, do a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.